Okay, students. In previous class, we started haloalkanes, haloarenes. So to be continued that. So classification of haloalkanes we are discussing. So monohaloalkanes, dihaloalkanes, trihaloalkanes. So monohaloalkanes further classified into based on hybridization of carbon. So now we are going to discuss monohaloalkanes may be further classified based on hybridization of carbon, okay, that is compounds containing sp3cx bond, compounds containing sp3x bond. So now we are going to discuss classification of monohaloalkanes. Classification of monohaloalkanes, okay, based on nature of CX bond. Okay, so first one is compounds containing sp3x bond, means halogen attached carbon atom must be sp3 hybridization. Okay, so first one compounds containing see here, compounds containing sp3cx bond, compounds containing sp3cx bond means here halogen attached carbon atom undergoes sp3 hybridization. Okay, based on this classification, based on this factor, monohaloalkanes classified into three types. So first one, alkyl halides. So here, A, alkyl halides means see alkyl halides. So based on the alkyl group attached to the carbon atom, these alkyl halides can be classified into three types. These are three types. These alkyl halides means, see, first of all, you know alkyl halides means CH3X or CH3CH2X. Okay, like this. Alkyl halides means these are examples. These are three types. These are three types. These are three types. Okay. So first one is primary alkyl halides. Primary alkyl halides. Primary alkyl halides means halogen attached carbon having one alkyl group. Halogen attached carbon having one alkyl group. They are nothing but primary alkyl groups. So here primary alkyl groups means halogen attached carbon having one alkyl group. One alkyl group. Primary alkyl halides means halogen attached carbon having one alkyl group. Okay. For example, RCH2X. R means alkyl group. R equal to alkyl group. Alkyl group, that is CH3 or C2H5 or C3H7, like that. Okay, so this is R is alkyl group. So alkyl group is nothing but a CH3 group or C2H5 group or C3H7 group. Understand? See students, so classification of monohaloalkanes we are discussing. So based on the carbon having hybridization, the monohaloalkanes can be divided into two types. sp3 compounds containing sp3CX bond is 1 and compounds containing sp2CX bond is 1. Okay, here first one is alkyl halides. Alkyl halides means alkyl group having halogen. So it is nothing but alkyl halides. So these are three types. Primary alkyl halides, it is the first one, primary alkyl halides. Primary alkyl halides means halogen attached carbon having one alkyl group. So that is nothing but a primary alkyl group, primary. So it is indicated by like this. So it is a primary. Okay. So we may indicate it is a primary. Primary alkyl halides means we are indicating like this. Next, second one is a secondary alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halides. Secondary alkyl halides means halogen attached carbon having two alkyl groups. Halogen attached carbon having two alkyl groups. Okay, halogen attached carbon having two alkyl groups. Okay, halogen one alkyl group means primary, two alkyl groups means secondary. For example, R dash X 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is nothing but a secondary alkyl groups. Okay, so R dash CH is nothing but a secondary alkyl halides. Okay, R dash is different or same. Okay, R dash is different or same. It is nothing but a secondary alkyl groups. Okay, next one, third one, tertiary alkyl groups. Tertiary alkyl groups. Okay, tertiary alkyl groups means halogen attached carbon having three alkyl groups. Halogen attached carbon having three alkyl groups. Here halogen attached carbon having three alkyl groups. Three alkyl groups. Okay. So for example, R, so R C. It is if you take R dash, if you take R double dash, then it is nothing but R double dash and R triple dash X. So 1, 2, 3, 3 alkyl groups. Okay, here R comma R dash are R dash comma R double dash equal to alkyl groups. Alkyl groups. See here, R double dash, R triple dash are alkyl groups. Okay, so this is a tertiary alkyl halides. Alkyl halides can be divided into 3 types. So primary, secondary, tertiary. It is a tertiary alkyl halide. Understand? It is a secondary alkyl halide. It is a primary alkyl halide. Understand? So this is first one, carbon compounds containing sp3cx bond. sp3cx bond. Next, it is the first one, alkyl halides is over. Next, the second one, it is a A, it is a B, it is a alkyl halides. Next, second one is nothing but allylic halides. Allylic halides. Allylic halides. Allylic halides means halogen attached carbon atom must be sp3 hybridization and next carbon having double bond. Okay. Here allylic halides means halogen attached carbon atom must be sp3 hybridization. The next carbon is C double bond C. C double bond C is nothing but allylic halides. Is nothing but allylic halides. Okay. So here halogen attached carbon atom sp3 hybridization, the next carbon halogen attached carbon atom, the next carbon atom having C double bond C, which having double bond is called allylic halides. So halogen attached carbon next carbon having double bond, that is a C double bond C, that is a C double bond C. So halogen attached carbon next carbon having double bond, that is allylic halides. For example CH2 double bond CH2. If you remove this hydrogen and it is a CH2X. Okay, it is having double bond, it is undergoes sp3 hybridization. This is nothing but allylic halide. Allylic halide. Understand? And then one more example we may give. X. So this is one more example we may give. So this carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization, next carbon having double bond. Okay. So here, so this is carbon. So it is carbon and carbon. Okay. It is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So carbon having sp3 hybridization, 1 2 3 3 single bonds and 1 hydrogen which having CH3X, then it is allylic halides. Understand? Then you have to know one more type of halides, that is nothing but a benzylic halides. Benzylic halides. Okay, so this is a A, it is a B. Next benzylic halides. Okay, so this is briefly here I am writing benzylic halides. C, benzylic halides. Benzylic halides means carbon atom compounds with halogen atom bonded with carbon. See here, carbon atom, halogen attaching carbon atom undergoes sp3. Next is a benzene ring. Okay, halogen attaching atom, halogen attached carbon atom, next is a benzene ring, that is nothing but a benzylic halides. Okay, halogen attached carbon atom, halogen attached carbon atom having halogen attached carbon atom, next having benzene ring, next having benzene ring, halogen attached carbon, next benzene ring. These are known as benzylic halides. Understand? See, for example, okay, CH2X. Understand? E halogen attached carbon atom undergoes sp3 hybridization. Next is a benzene ring. These are nothing but a benzylic halides. These are nothing but a benzylic halides. One more example I will give. CH2X. Okay, so this is nothing but a X. Here if you take X, and then that is a, it is a R and it is a R double dash. Okay, it is a, one more example we may say. So this is nothing but a, so this is carbon attached halogen, next carbon is a benzene ring. This is carbon attached halogen, next carbon is a benzene ring. Understand? So what I meant to say, compounds containing sp3CX bond. So how many types? Alkyl halides, allylic halides, benzylic halides. So alkyl halides again divided into three types: primary, secondary and tertiary. Understand? So this is compounds containing sp3CX bond. Compounds containing sp3CX bond. Understand? See students, in previous class we discussed classification of haloalkanes and classification of haloarenes. Haloalkanes based on halogen attached to the carbon atom, three types: mono, di, tri. So mono haloalkanes means if the alkane attached one halogen, that is nothing but mono haloalkanes. Mono haloalkanes further classified into three types: nature of hybridization of carbon atom. So that is first one is sp3CX bond. sp3CX bond means alkyl halides, next allylic halides, next benzylic halides. So alkyl halides means so they can further classified into three types: primary, when halogen attached carbon having one alkyl group, it is primary. Halogen attached carbon having two alkyl groups, it is a secondary. Halogen attached carbon having atom three alkyl groups, it is a tertiary. Okay, and then allylic halides, halogen attached carbon, next carbon having double bonds. So like this. So halogen attached carbon, next carbon having double bonds. It is undergoes sp3 hybridization. It is undergoes sp3 hybridization. Okay, here also it undergoes sp3 hybridization. It undergoes sp3 hybridization. It is also undergoes sp3 hybridization. It is also undergoes sp3 hybridization. It is also here. It is also undergoes sp3 hybridization, next carbon having double bond, that is a allylic. So here it is a carbon, it is a carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization, it is a sp3 hybridization, next carbon having benzene ring, it is a benzylic halides. It is a carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization, next carbon having benzene ring. So it is a benzylic halides, allylic halides, and it is a alkyl halides. Understand? So next we will discuss next carbon compounds containing. So second type is carbon compounds containing sp2cx bond. So it is a second one it is a second one, carbon compounds containing sp2cx bond. Okay, carbon compounds containing sp2cx bond, these are two types. So these are two types. So first one is vinylic halides, next one is arylic halides. Okay, the first one is vinylic halides, and second one is arylic halides. So vinylic halides and aryl halides. Vinylic halides are aryl halides. Okay, so vinylic halides means so carbon atom attached, halogen attached carbon atom having double bond. Halogen attached carbon atom having double bond. Okay, so here halogen attached carbon atom having C double bond C. Halogen attached carbon atom having double bond. Okay, these are nothing but vinyl halides. Okay, example CH2 double bond CHX. It undergoes sp2 hybridization. The carbon atom undergoes sp2 hybridization 1, 2, 3, and here it attached X. Carbon atom, halogen attaching carbon atom having double bond. Halogen attached carbon atom having double bond. Okay, it is one more example I will give. So here double bond, see here X. See here carbon A, C, 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 C. It undergoes sp2 hybridization. So halogen attached carbon atom having double bond. Halogen attached carbon atom having double bond. sp2, sp2. Understand, it is vinylic halides. Next, arylic halides. Aryl halides. Aryl halides means carbon attached carbon atom having halogen attached carbon atom having benzene ring. Okay, benzene ring. So they are nothing but aryl compounds. Aryl compounds. See here, halogen attached carbon atom, halogen attached carbon atom having halogen attached carbon atom having benzene ring, having benzene ring. Okay. So halogen attached carbon atom having benzene ring, they are nothing but aryl compounds. Aryl compounds. For example, it is a example. Okay. So then one more example we may say XCH3. So this is one example, this is one example. This is for vinylic halides, this is for aryl halides. Understand? This is briefly classification of haloalkanes, haloarenes. Understand? First one is based on halogen. Next one is hybridization of the carbon sp3 CX bond. Next one is compounds containing sp2 CX bond. sp3 CX bond is 3 types. Alkyl halides. Alkyl halides is again divided into 3 types: primary, secondary, tertiary. Alkyl halides, allylic halides, next benzylic halides. Next one, compounds containing the sp2 CX bond is 2 types: vinylic halides and aryl halides. Vinylic halides means halogen attached carbon atom having double bond. Here halogen attached carbon atom having benzene ring. Okay, so this is briefly classification of haloalkanes. Okay, it is classification.